to Digital Purchase Order. This is a quick introduction on how to track deliveries. At DPO, you can not only create and approve purchase orders, you can also track the receiving of purchased items. In this way, you can monitor whether your order has been fully delivered or whether there are still items missing. To activate this feature, please visit the Administration section and select the Users tab. Here, you can edit the profiles of users who can track receiving by ticking the checkbox Can Add Delivery. If you would like to be able to edit received items, please tick the checkbox below as well. Once this is done, please go to the View section and select the PO for which you would like to add a delivery. Click on the small truck icon on the right. In the pop-up window, you will have the option to add an order or delivery number, the delivery date, and how many items have been received. If you do not enter the full amount of requested items in the PO, the system will automatically recognize the receiving as partially delivered. Once the remaining items have been delivered, DPO will change the status to Fully Delivered. If you have permission to edit these delivery entries, click on the PO and select the corresponding delivery item. At the bottom, you can either edit or delete this dataset completely. If you have our attachment feature active, you can also upload a delivery receipt here. The uploaded file will then be visible as an appended attachment within this PO. In this way, you can summarize all relevant information in one place, and you will not have to search in various locations. If you have any further questions, please send us an email to support@digitalpurchaseorder.com or give us a call on 1-888-376-7254. We can also arrange a demo appointment with you. Simply contact us via email, and we will schedule a call at your earliest convenience. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Please also check out our other video tutorials on the main tutorial page.